first off, before we get started, like my hair. Obviously, it's at home. Micah did it for me because I really wanted a new style. I never really had bangs that I really like vibed with like I do now. I love these bangs. I'm really happy with them. If you don't like them, I'm sorry. Maybe not your preference, but I do. So please leave your hateful comments to yourself and just know that I'm happy with myself, and if I like it, I really don't care about anyone's opinion, and Micah really likes it. So yeah, today is my skincare routine. I am really excited about this and to talk about these products. Now there is a couple products I didn't include in here because one, they're empties, which are going to be in my empties video, or two, I personally haven't repurchased them yet. So all my disclaimers and my links are down below, so let's get started with this video. So I'm going to go in step by step of what I do. So every day this spray is a necessity for me. This is the Botanics 100% organic with rose water toning spray. Now this you can put on with makeup or with no makeup. I personally love doing it with both because it just makes my skin feel really refreshed and also gives it a nice mist. I consider this a setting spray in a way because it makes my makeup feel nicer. There's times where foundation makes me feel itchy because I have dry skin, and this just really helps to boost my skin. So I always do this before makeup and after makeup, so that's why this one comes first. So the next thing I do before I add my foundation is I use some kind of lotion. The one I've been using right now is this one by Touch in Soul, and it's the Glassy Skin Balm. So it looks like that, and the product looks like this. I'm almost out of this. And this is another product that I really love, and I am going to be repurchasing it because it really helps my dry skin. I used to use Pond's, which is a lot cheaper, and you can find it at Walmart or like Walgreens or any like retail store, but I personally dig this one. I feel like it hydrates a little bit better, and it also gives me such a nice satin finish on my skin that it's easy to put my foundation and it doesn't leave cakey, you know, spots. Like I always get cakey around here if I don't use a lotion underneath. Oh, and also don't mind my nails. I also then apply before, well, I do this before and after foundation. I moisturize, well, not moisturize, I scrub my lips. So we all know we get foundation on our lips. We all know we have dry lips, especially in the winter. So I always have my scrub next to my bedside. That's where I sleep, right there. That's where I put like certain stuff on top, and this helps dramatically. This is by Milani. It's called the Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. This is my 4th container, believe it or not. I absolutely like go by this product. It is definitely a holy grail for me, and it's really inexpensive. It also has 2 other steps involved. I unfortunately ran out of those again, so I have to repurchase those, but I still use this one on its own because I feel like it's more effective than the other ones. And then when it's time to take my makeup off, then I have where I come in with the face mask. So every day I usually use Glam Glow. Now this is almost gone. This is the Gentle Bubble, and it's a daily conditioning cleanser, and I use this every single day. I literally take my makeup off with either a makeup wipe or a makeup eraser, and then I do this to my skin. I feel like this takes all the excess makeup off, especially on your skin, and it makes my skin feel amazing. And then I do this one 2 times a week. This is the Elmis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and I love this stuff. Again, it's a holy grail for me. It's something I am going to be repurchasing. Now, this face wash I might not be repurchasing because it's a little bit more on the pricey side, and for everyday use, I could just go back to my skincare because I think it's called Skincare or Sensitive Skin. It's a brand by Walmart for sensitive skin. I can literally just get a couple bottles for the price of this one, so I would just use that one. But this mask I'm definitely going to be repurchasing. I use this twice a week, and I've seen a totally difference in my skin. I'm currently not wearing any face makeup, no foundation, no blush or anything. The only con I have about my skin right now is the discoloration. As you guys can see, I'm really red in certain parts of my face, especially over here. But overall, I have no breakouts, I have no scarring, I have nothing. And this mask has literally made my face feel so soft. So this is definitely a mask that I want to repurchase. And it's really good for you too, so I'm not complaining. I love it so much. I feel like it really brightens my face. It makes it fresh and everything. I was trying to read the back just in case, you know, there was something in there that could contribute to maybe why I'm not breaking out, but it doesn't say anything. I think it's just because I'm taking better care of my skin, and I'm also adding more water into my diet instead of drinking soda and all those sugary drinks that we normally drink on a daily basis. I'm starting to drink more water. So last but not least, after I get out of the shower, before I go to bed, I use Paula's Choice, and this is Exfoliate. It's smooth and even skin tone, unclogs and shrinks, lightweight liquid, absorbs quickly. I just started using this. I got this in one of my last BoxyCharm boxes, and I never got around to using it, and I can say I am seeing a little bit different with the redness, but not a whole lot. This stuff is amazing. It does have a weird smell to it, but it works like it says it's supposed to. Like I said, I used to be more red in the face, but I am seeing a difference, which is exciting for me. Now this product is more expensive, so I don't think I will repurchase this, but it's definitely something to look forward to or look into if you are someone who is struggling with discoloration of the skin. And also, it doesn't really have that bad of an odor, but to me it does have a bad odor, but it's not an odor that stays. It's more when you first start rubbing it in your skin and then it goes away. So that is my skincare routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think I should add or take away from my skincare routine, and tell me what you guys use. What kind of products do you use? What kind of products do you take out? Also, if you are a guy and you do skincare, leave some things down for Micah, because I'm trying to get him into doing skincare with me. I think skincare is really important because your skin is what you have to deal with for the rest of your life, and it's better to make it last long and make you look younger, and also just make you feel more happier. You know, I know when my skin was really red and itchy and I had the flakies, I was really down. I hated putting foundation, I hated wearing makeup in general, and then I ended up hating myself even more because of the flakes. You know, without foundation you can still see the flakes, with foundation you can see the flakes. So adding, you know, moisture to your skin and taking care of your skin and taking care of yourself in general is definitely a self-care tip in my opinion, because your skin is so important. So definitely, if you are a guy and you are doing skincare, what kinds of products do you use that you would recommend to Micah? I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, stay beautiful.